We made this guitar for this Eilik a few days ago. And we're making the other Eilik a musical instrument. We've got this wonderful set of drums. This isn't by Energized Labs. We found this on Thingiverse. Some very talented person has designed this and made it available. And it looks a pretty good size for the Eilik. I've also got coming a pair of finger cymbals. So I'm hoping to somehow attach those to this drum set and get the Eilik to actually hit them. So the next thing to do is to paint this.